potential marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-Lake Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, until 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:46 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a line of strong thunderstorms, located along a line extending from 32 nautical miles east of Port Washington to 28 nautical miles west of Oak Creek, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will affect wind point around 11:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Winthrop Harbor, Illinois around 11:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Runners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass.